Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of wedge high heel pumps designs for women and girls of 2020. So how are you friends? I hope you shall be enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with most demanding and fabulous collection of wedge high heel pumps designs for women and girls of 2020. So friends, this is very beautiful, stylish and trendy collection of wedge high heel pumps designs for those ladies who loves to wear such types of wedge high heel pumps designs. So friends, this is very beautiful, stylish and trendy. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more videos and more designs about wedge high heel pumps designs. So friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful, stylish and stunning collection of wedge high heel pumps designs online, then I will tell you the best websites from where you can buy these beautiful, stylish and trendy collection of wedge high heel pumps designs online. So friends, before telling the websites, please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed my channel, then not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing bell icon, you will get all the notification of my latest uploading video. In this way, you will never miss my video and collection of my channel. So friends, I will tell you the best websites from where you can buy these very beautiful, stylish and trendy collection of wedge high heel pumps designs. So friends, you can buy these from websites amazon.com, evy.com and aliexpress.com. So friends, always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos with your friends and relatives, and also give your feedback in the comment section about the collection. How was the video and how was the designs of wedge high heel pumps designs? So friends, keep visiting my channel for more designs and more videos, and also subscribe my channel. When you subscribe, you will get all the notification of my latest uploading video. In this way, you will never miss my video and collection of my channel. So friends, this is very attractive and stunning collection of wedge high heel pumps. You can wear these very stylish and stunning collection of wedge high heel pumps in office work and also wear in parties. So dear friends, please like my videos and share my videos with your friends and relatives, and also give your feedback. How was the video and how was the collection of wedge high heel pumps designs? So dear friends, goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Goodbye.